mendaki Gunung Sago, salah satu gunung tertinggi di Kabupaten 50 Kota. Kita lihat jalannya nanjak, tuh puncaknya. Terus ini Jalan Jambi Basi, Luak Banto. Dan ke kanan Jalan Parak Teh. Oh, ada Parak Teh nih. Kebun teh. Tea Garden. Nih, pejuang ranca is going to find knowledge up to Gunung Sago Mountain. Ya. And kita sudah berada di pinggangnya ya. Ini Igip.
Ya, Igip berat perjuangan.
Terus kita lihat itu 50 Kota Regency from here. Look at there.
Masih panjang perjalanan.
Ya, masih panjang perjalanannya.
Langsung videoin aja.
Oke. Go.
Jangan dimatiin.
Mau nanjak lagi. Aku angkat dulu sarungku ya. Nih jalannya, nih jalan PNPM. Oh, wait. Oke. Wuh.
Nembong masuk, nembong genderpot.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bisa.
Look at there. One Sago Mountain. Everyone here are farmers. So, chili farm. Nah, we come to the small path. Nah, so beautiful view from here. Come on, look at that. It's Merapi Mountain from Sago Mountain. We can see far away here. Okay, no. Okay. Tuh. Aduh, that's very beautiful. This is the first time for me to come here. Aduh.
Lihat sisi kanan dong.
Lihat sisi kiri lagi itu. Nah, kita sudah berada di atas Gunung Sago. Lihatlah 50 kota dari sini. Sayang sedikit berkabut. Nah, aku bisa melihat dari sini Gunung Bungsu. Itu dia Gunung Bungsu. Gunung Bungsu is a place where we live. Ya, tempat di mana kami tinggal itu di Gunung Bungsu itu. Sinilah si Mak Nisa tinggal, jauh dari kota, jauh dari hiruk pikuk, mencari kenyamanan hidup. Mau bela-belain berhenti jadi pegawai bank. Salah lagi. So
Di jalan itu.
Okay. Yeah, we got the wrong
Jalan
way.
Turun itu.
Oke, mundur.
Ya, mundur.
I get off. Get off again. Oke. Igip. Hai Igip. Di sini kampungmu kan, Gip?
Hati-hati Ibu.
Iya. Iya, Gip. Makasih, Gip. Salah lagi. Oh my. Wah. Oke, salah lagi. Hello. Hai. Salah lagi. Oh, sorry. Salah lagi. Disinilah pondoknya Mak Nisa. That's a very interesting place here. Alright, nice. That's very nice. Nah, karena dia di perbukitan, cukup serasi, punya rumah tinggal yang unik. Nih, so ini dia owner of the house. Halo Mak.
Yuhu! Yuk mari.
Ya,
Actually,
thank you.
is able in English
Iya.
very well.
Look at this. This is a pool. Ah,
Pool for fish.
yeah.
Fish pond.
This one. You like to fish?
No.
No? Why? You don't like to fish here?
No.
There are so many fish.
I'm waiting for the fish to get big.
Oh yeah. So you keep it bigger.
Yes.
Do you feed him? Feed them all?
Yes. With food.
With food. What kind of food?
Sisa nasi.
Nasi. Oh yeah. Nasi. Sisa. So what class are you?
I'm 8th grade.
Oh, eighth grade. Yeah. Your speaking English is very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like it. I like you. Okay, up to your house. I forget your name. What's your name? Hi. Hi guys. What's your name? I forget to ask your name.
Iluf.
Iluf, yeah. I love you. I love you.
Yeah, I got the name from there.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Iluf.
Yeah.
This is Osa. Nice to meet you here, Osa, Miss Osa.
Nice to meet you.
What do you think about the scenery here, the view? You can see 50 Kota here from here.
It's
Sorry,
a marvelous
marvelous.
view
Uh-uh.
from the Sago Mountain.
Sago Mountain, so you can
So you
see.
can show the itu gunung apa sih itu?
Ah,
Merapi.
yeah, we should know. Oh, no, Merapi over there,
Barisan.
at your left side, and those are Bukit Barisan.
Iya, barisan.
Yeah. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.